Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant freezing for 1 to 2 seconds. Here are a few tips you can try to resolve this issue. The first one being, you wanna make sure that you have more than 10 gigabytes of free space on the local disks where you're, or like a hard drive, SSD, where your Valorant is installed. Also, if you have a SSD and hard drive, make sure that you install the Valorant on the SSD, obviously, or NVMe drive. Now, after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is obviously go to NVIDIA or AMD app and update your drivers to like the latest and greatest. And here also you can go to settings, turn off NVIDIA overlay, go to system, click on G-Sync, and make sure that it's turned off. If it's on, you want to turn it off. After you've done all of that, you can lower your settings for the game a bit and see if that fixes it. Now, also what could cause the issue is if you have two different sticks of RAM, which are not the same either by manufacturer or like completely different kits with like different frequencies, they don't work in tandem properly, so it makes a micro stutter, and then that impacts the game. So if you have two kits or more that are like different and not the same playing Valorant, maybe try like unplugging one and see if the issues persist. Now if you have like super low RAM, and let's say you have like 8 gigs and they're like, where one is 4 and the other one's 4, then just make sure that both RAM kits are like running on like the same frequency. So let's say if you have two RAM sticks which are like both 4 gigs, and they're one is running at like 2100 and the other one is like 23, you wanna go to your BIOS and make sure the other kit is also running at the same frequency, even though it doesn't have the same timings. It will help reduce the latency between them in one way, even though the latency in the timings is different, if that makes sense. So hopefully that should fix your issue. Obviously you can update the RAM kits, but thanks to AI, the RAM has gone through the roof, and you cannot buy like a 16 gig kit or 32 for like a reasonable price. So what are you left with is like basically turn down the timing so they're like matching, and turn off resizable bar support if you have it in your motherboard in the BIOS, because if you're using two different kits, it can interfere and like not work properly in between RAM and CPU. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you potentially fix the Valorant freezing for 1 to 2 seconds. Like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any suggestions, type them down in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.